se me lo loco. Fili fili poco le abamong ibisi umalaw sa oloko. Leo ya do loco ikaw ang mamopo. Se ikasi akulunga o ikaw ko sa ulo. Boom 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 se ka boom boom boom. Yeah baby kasi na pala yung loko sa oloko. Kaki zoom 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 faka boom.
Hey, what up, really nice squad? It's your girl Lalelei back with another video. So we're currently doing Danger Boys MTV here at Togitogia waterfalls. So we're gonna go down there and take some videos, and I'll see you soon. Guys, we're going down to the waterfall. Look how beautiful this place is. Very beautiful. So we have all the people around, but we're here for the waterfall, nothing else. Hey, what up, Alina squad? It's your girl Lalelei back with another video. So this whole day we're gonna be recording Danger Boys MTV for Teine or lalelei, and yes, I'll be vlogging this whole trip. So before we get into the video, I want you to give this video a like, makwa, hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Other than that, let's get straight into the video. There it is. This is our second location for Danger Boys MTV. Apparently Ishta Demako's gone to Fiji, so there's only one person. Here's our videographer, Esther herself, and the bag holders, me, myself, and I. Yeah. Oh my god. Failed. Failed how many times? Now we are at, where are we at?
Tosua.
Ocean Trench.
Ocean Trenchy.
Yeah. Ocean Trenchy. Okay.
What?
Do we have to pay?
Oh, bro. I think we do have to pay for this.
Yeah.
Do you pay? How much? You tell me $10.
So it says adults $20,
What?
children $10, 6 to 11 years old.
That was $20.
Yo.
Are we
But
gonna
it's
pay
not
that
like-
money just to go have a look?
You can just
Are we
ask
paying
them.
20 just to go have a look?
What do you want to do then?
I didn't know you had to pay for this. It's like
Let's just
you pay
go.
$20 to come to Tosua Trench. $20. Seriously, man. You eat for
Yes,
the whole
guys,
week.
that's
pay to
Danger
come to
Boy
Tosua.
complaining. It's
No,
only
no,
$20.
Hey,
And the man
$20
himself is
20
dying.
$20 times 4. It's very expensive for a
Okay.
budget.
That is $80 altogether.
Are you kidding me? We're about to go have a look at this place. We're about to pay.
So guys, we're here at Togitogia, whatever it's called, and the boy himself, Danger Boy, is complaining that we have to pay $20. Are we taking our change or not?
Are you swimming?
So the people here are very creepy. They look very scary. So let's just walk in and pretend we're not scared of them. Let's go.
Hello.
The view is very beautiful. Finally we saw it in real life.
Finally, I made it.
So guys, it's raining and we're still taking his videos. Commitment. What a commitment. Here we go.
Despite the rain, despite the weather, it don't stop the hustle because you don't get where you want to be if you don't keep working.
That's the one. Let's go. Let's go. So that's the beach and the sea. Well, the pools is down there. It's pretty cool. Scary at the same time. So guys, we're still shooting and it's a bad day to like shoot videos, I reckon. Oh my god. Okay, yes, that's us. Oh, look at that! The view's so nice.
Huh?
No. So guys, we just finished swimming and it was very nice. This is Togitogia and it's very beautiful. Check it out. Was it nice, sister? Of course.
Oh, yeah, that's it.
I think they haven't recovered it. Like they squashed on them. But if it was other countries, they'll dig the whole
They probably
shit up.
write all those names of people who all of us.
So guys, this
while we're
is
here.
our third destination and it's Lalomanu. See how beautiful it is. Yes, we're finally here and the church is over there. So also, the hotel was my uncle's. It was very beautiful when we first saw it. It was all brand new and very beautiful. Now it looks like that because of the tsunami that happened a year ago. So guys, we are here at our 5th destination. We stopped by because these kids were playing my brother's song, so we stopped by and here we are. They're gonna be part of the music video, so peace. So guys, we are heading off home now. We're going home.
I'm losing my mind.
We're nearly there. And what village are we in right now?
What?
What village are we in right now?
What village is this? What village are we in?
I don't know.
Something Bayala. 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 Yeah, okay. Okay, Bayala.
So very beautiful day. And it's time to go back home. I would say today was very good. We got all the shots done. And I reckon we're gonna cancel Tano and tell Messina. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you give this video a like. Makua, hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications. Other than that, we'll see you later with another video and stay updated. Bye!
Ooh yeah, ooh yeah, Teine boy.